Fuck him, bro.
Fuck him, I think I'm video this fuck.
Yeah, bro, fucking flay that fuck. Hey, turn him into bait, bro. Slide that fucker down.
Chuck it in soup.
I agree.
They got the white tip ulu right there.
Slide that fucker down.
You get the gas man over there. BJ Lonis. You get the angler right there. Mono Lonis.
Frick all night, yeah.
Oh, he's that guy.
Yeah, don't let him back in the water.
Oh, you get the tourist over there.
Fuck no. You keep that fuck out the water.
So this is the white
raping
tip.
you guys' bait.
Brother Jake.
What's up, dude?
How you giving?
Get John.
I get the big players up here.
Mike.
Oh well, sorry, Sean.
Bro, you gotta dread that from Randy. Nah.
Brother Josh. First time fishing a real fisherman. It's the first time we ever fishing Josh don't know. The real fisherman.
Sticky butt on his mouth.
Oh, get the nuts guy over here.
That would be
Fuck
too
it.
smooth.
No, man. Sandpaper.
I thought you come home.
Fuck, it's still lively the bugger.
Yeah, put him in that live well right there.
Might as well grab the auto hook too. Nah. Like the big players.
Grab the fuck, you know what?
I love their shoes, bro.
Fucking bowling shoes.
That's bowling, boy.
Oh, what you?
Dexter's.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, you pliers.
710.
Who get the pliers?
On the job.
Grab them. You fuck, I thought you just give me the pliers, you cunt. Money, grab them. But you must be crazy.
Mono trying to be a hero right now.
Fuck, nah, I don't like messing around.
Wait, where's the old hook? I see the old one.
Right there?
No,
Somebody's lying.
Ooh, that's mine, bro.
You
That's-
get some baby.
That's your happy.
Hey, that's not the one we let go the last time.
This fucker is dead already. He done this fucker.
Oh, he's mocking. Look at him.
Hey, shh. This is gonna be on YouTube, guys. Shh.
This 2-footer on YouTube.